Hi, I'm Naomi Greaves, co-founder of Garage Gym Life, and today I'm asking a question that was on the channel in regards to the Bells of Steel indoor cycling bike. Okay, so the question was, can you show what you did with the Power A1 cord? I'm confused. I've put together a million air bikes, but this one is confusing me. All right. Well, at Ben Martinez 89, thanks for the question. So instead of just typing out my response, I was actually going to show you what I did with the bike. Now, my question is it with the aero bike or is it with the indoor cycling bike? Because that's what we have, is the indoor cycling bike. So I'm going to actually pull you off of the tripod and I'm going to spin you around. All right, so here's the Bells of Steel indoor cycling bike. And the cable that you're asking about is for the display right here, okay? This is the A1 cable that comes out. And what I did is I actually put it on the outside because you don't want to feed it through this because it's a solid piece, it's not hollow. And in some cases with indoor bikes, this piece is usually hollow and you're able to feed it through the housing and then it connects with the display in the back. In this situation, it was actually on the outside to be able to connect to your display. And then of course you have and I don't know the fancy word for this, but you do have your jack with your auxiliary cord that has that plug-in, which connects to the two sensors that are in the handlebars here for your pulse monitoring, which then displays on your display right here. So Ben Martinez 8995. I hope that answers your question on how I was able to handle the A1 power cord for the display. Thanks again for your question. Feel free to drop any other questions or comments in the chat. Bye for now.